Welcome to this class on our YouTube channel Maths with Devanup. We are doing exercise 10.2 class 10th chapter circles. Now question number 7. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of chord of larger circle which touches the smaller circle. We know concentric circles are circles with same center. These two circles have center O, and smaller circle has radius 3 cm, bigger circle has radius 5 cm. This chord AB of larger circle touches the smaller circle at M. AB touches smaller circle at one point M. Therefore, it is tangent to the smaller circle. We know tangent is a line which touches the circle at a point. Angle 1 is equal to 90. Tangent is perpendicular to radius at point of contact. Because AB is tangent and angle 1 is angle between radius and tangent at point of contact, therefore it is 90 degree. Now in right triangle AMO, OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square by Pythagoras theorem. In this right triangle AMO, the side opposite 90 degrees is OA, therefore it is the hypotenuse. Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides. Putting the values, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus AM square. Transposing AM square, square of 5 25, square of 3 9. 25 minus 9 16, and AM is equal to square root of 16 4 centimeter. Now we know one property. Perpendicular from center of the circle to the chord bisects it. So AM is equal to half of AB and AM is 4, transposing 2, we get AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Now question number 8. A quadrilateral is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. In figure we see quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes a circle. Circumscribes means what? Each side of quadrilateral is tangent to the circle. So AB, BC, CD and DA are tangents to the circle at points P, Q, R and S. Now lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. How many external points can be used here? Point A. AS is equal to AP. Point B. BP is equal to BQ. Point C. CR is equal to CQ. Point D. DR is equal to DS. So we write these four equations. AP is equal to AS. BP is equal to BQ. CR is equal to CQ. DR is equal to DS. Adding the four equations, we get AP plus BP, which is AP, CR plus DR, which is CD, AS plus DS, which is AD, BQ plus CQ, which is BC. So we get AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Now in writing this, we have to take care about one thing. What is that? The points of contact lie on the same side. Which are the points of contact? P, Q, R and S. So P, R, S and Q. We have to write in such a way that they lie on the same side. To get information about regular updates and new additions, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell button. Now next question. XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. Prove angle AOB is equal to 90. We have these two tangents XY and X dash Y dash parallel to each other. And points of contact are P and Q. There is another tangent AB and point of contact is C. we have to prove angle AOB is equal to 90. Now we have done tangents are equally inclined to line joining center of circle to the external point. So angle 1 is equal to 2, angle 3 is equal to 4. For properties of circles, please watch our playlist with the name Properties of Circles, and these are short videos up to 1 minute. Here angle 1 is equal to 2, tangent is equally inclined to line joining center of circle to external point. Also 3 is equal to 4. And also we have xy is parallel to x dash y dash. We know if two lines are cut by parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then co-interior angles are supplementary. So here angle PAB plus angle QBA is equal to 180 degree. We can see angle PAB is divided into two angles 1 and 2 and angle QBA into angles 3 and 4. So in place of PAB we have written 1 plus 2. In place of QBA we have written 3 plus 4. Also we know 1 and 2 are equal, 3 and 4 are equal. Replacing 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. We have twice of angles. 2 plus 4 is equal to 180. Transposing 2 and dividing, we get angle 2 plus 4 is equal to 90 degree. But we want angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Where is angle AOB? We have named angle AOB as angle phi. Let us add angle phi on both sides. 2 plus 4 plus 5, 90 plus angle 5. What is the relation between angles 2, 4 and 5? We can see angle 2, 4 and 5, they are interior angles of triangle AOB. So what is their sum? 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Now transposing 90, we get angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Question number 10. Prove that the angle between two tangents from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segments joining points of contact at the center. So what are supplementary angles? We know two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. And which two angles have to be proved supplementary here? Angle P and angle O. So we have to prove angle P plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. And what about the property used? This property we have used maximum number of times in this exercise, that is tangent is perpendicular to the radius at point of contact. So angle 1 as well as angle 2 90 degree. In quadrilateral AOBP, angle P plus 1 plus 2 plus AOB is equal to 360 degree, angle sum property of quadrilateral. And we put the values of angle 1 and angle 2 90 degree each. 90 plus 90 is 180. We transpose it. We get angle P plus AOB is equal to 180 degree. Next question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. We have done in question number 8 that a quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle. And what is a circumscribing quadrilateral? It is a quadrilateral whose all four sides are tangents to the circle. So for this parallelogram ABCD, all four sides AB, BC, CD and DA are tangents to the circle. And we want to prove that parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus. Lengths of tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. How many external points are possible here? Point A, B, C and D. These 4 points. we write tangents from all these. AP is equal to AS, BP is equal to BQ, CR is equal to CQ, DR is equal to DS. So we write all these four equations. Adding the four, we get AP plus BP plus CR plus DR plus AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. What is AP plus BP? AB. CR plus DR? CD. AS plus DS? AD. BQ plus CQ? BC. Up to this we have done in question number 8. In that we have to take care about one thing while writing the equations. We have to keep points of contact on same side. P, R, S and Q. Now further, we know for a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD. Now replacing CD by AB and AD by BC, we get AB plus AB is equal to BC plus BC, or twice of AB is equal to twice of BC, AB is equal to BC. So parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus. Why? According to the definition of rhombus, a rhombus is a parallelogram in which a pair of adjacent sides is equal. AB and BC are adjacent sides. Question number 12. Triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm such that segments BD and CD, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are of lengths 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find sides AB and AC. Triangle is circumscribing the circle, so each side of triangle is tangent to the circle. That is, AB, AC and BC are tangents to the circle. Radius of the circle is 4 cm and CD 6 cm and BD 8 cm. Lengths of tangents from the same external point to circle are equal. In this figure, we can use three external points A, B and C. So tangents from all these are equal. AF is equal to AE, CD is equal to CF, BE is equal to BD. And we suppose AF and AE as x centimeter, BE is equal to BD 8 centimeter, CF is equal to CD 6 centimeter. Now what about sides AB, AC and BC? This is 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, x. So AB x plus 6, AC x plus 6, AB x plus 8 and BC 14. Now we will find the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. Semi-perimeter, sum of all sides divided by 2 gives us x plus 14 centimeter. Now area of triangle by Heron's formula, we put the values, semi-perimeter, first side, second side, third side. We get x plus 14 into 6 into 8 into x. So when we solve, we get 4 square root of 3x x plus 14. On the other side, in red, as you can see, we can also find the area of this triangle by dividing it into three triangles. Triangle AOC, AOB and BOC. So area of triangle ABC is equal to sum of areas of these three triangles. And area of triangle AOB, half into AB into the corresponding altitude OE. So this way we find the area of all the three triangles. We see half r is common, and solving we get this value. Cancelling out the common terms, then we square both the sides. Squaring both sides, we get x plus 14 whole square minus 3x, x plus 14 is equal to 0. X plus 14 common, we get two values, x minus 14 x7. We reject this value. We use the positive values only. So x is equal to 7. Now what about AB? AB is 7 plus 8, 15 centimeter. AC 7 plus 6, 13 centimeter. Question 13. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of circle. Now quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribing the circle. Means each side of quadrilateral is tangent to the circle. We have to prove that the angles subtended by opposite sides at the center of circle are supplementary. That is, their sum is 180. So AOB plus COD 180, BOC plus DOA 180. We will use this property. Tangents are equally inclined to line joining center of circle to the external point. Now DC and DA, these two tangents make equal angles with the line joining center of circle to external point. Means angle 5 is equal to 6 and similarly 7 is equal to 8. So 5 is equal to 6, 7 is equal to 8. Now in triangle AOD, angle 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. Now we multiply the equation by 2. Twice of 3, twice of 5, twice of 7, 180 into 2, 360. Now these twice of 5 and twice of 7. Twice of 5 we write angle 5 plus angle 5. Twice of angle 7 plus angle 7. Now why this? One of the 5 we will replace with 6. One of the 7 with 8. So angle 5 we change to angle 6. Angle 7 we change to angle 8. Using equations 1 and 2. Now 5 plus 6 gives us angle ABC and 7 plus 8 gives us angle DAB. So twice of 3 plus angle CDA plus angle DAB is equal to 360 degree. Similarly, if we begin with triangle BOC and proceed the same way, we get twice of 4 plus angle ABC plus angle BCD is equal to 360 degree. Now, if we add these two equations 3 and 4, we get twice of angle 3 plus twice of angle 4 plus angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle CDA plus angle DAB is equal to 720. What about the sum of these four angles? We can see these are four interior angles of quadrilateral ABCD. So their sum is equal to 360 degree. Transposing 360 and then dividing by 2. 720 minus 360, 360 divided by 2, 180. So angle 3 plus 4 is 180. And writing the three letter names, AOD plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Also like, share and comment. To get regular updates, press the bell button.